In this installation video, we will identify the various parts of the FST-175 as well as go through appropriate cable preparation, splicing method, patch cord installation, and label placement. These are the various parts of the FST-175. This is the swing-out panel tray. This is one of the two side brackets. This is the top of the panel that stands 1 U high. These are the two 6-pack adapter panels. This is the pigtail assembly and network cable. In the middle of the swing-out panel is the 12-fiber splice tray. Along the back of the panel, you will notice the back cable retention bracket. Finally, along the back is the cable entry port. Now, we will go through the cable preparation process. First, remove the provided material bag. Second, open the swing-out panel tray. Third, unattach the 6-pack adapter panels and remove them along with the pigtail cable assembly from the swing-out panel tray. Fourth, unscrew and remove the splice tray. Then, measure and remove 80 inches of buffer tube from the network cable. Now, attach the network cable to the back cable retention bracket using 2 of the provided 10-inch tie wraps. Then, guide the buffer tube through the cable entry port to the front of the panel. Measure 32 inches from the end of the buffer tube. Then, score and remove the buffer tube, exposing the loose tube fibers. Measure and mark 40 inches from the fiber assembly breakout point. Score and remove the outer jacket in Kevlar from the remaining fiber assembly. Finally, measure and cut 24 inches of the 900 micron fibers. Now, replace the adapter panels, pigtail assembly, and network cable in the swing-out panel tray. Remember to maintain manufacturer's recommended minimum bend radius while routing fibers inside the swing-out panel tray. Next, remove the splice tray from the plastic bag, open the top, and remove the tie wraps. Secure the buffer tube and pigtail assembly to one side of the splice tray using a provided 4-inch tie wrap. Then, place the splice tray near your splicing area. Next, we will discuss the appropriate splicing method. Cleave and fusion splice the individual pigtail fibers to the appropriate network fibers. Place the fused spliced fiber into the splice holder on the splice tray and repeat as needed until all network fibers are spliced. Place the top protective cover onto the splice tray and the splice tray back into the FST-175 as shown, securing it with a provided wing nut. Now we'll discuss patch cord installation. Route the patch cords from the back side of the panel to the 6-pack adapters. Remove both the adapter and connector protective covers. Clean the connectors and place them in the adapters. Add routing clips to inside of the swing-out panel tray and then place the patch cords inside the routing clips. Lastly, we will go through appropriate label placement. Place the warning label and the fiber identification label on the top of the panel as shown. For more information on the FST 175, watch the product video or download the product datasheet.